11:37. September 22nd, that is the northern horizon of LA from west to east. Woke up this morning with chemtrails at about 59% humidity. Thanks to this right here. There's Los Angeles right here. We had a nice flow coming in. We didn't get 80% humidity, we got 59%. There you go again, you see? That's pretty high depth moisture. If you look down here, you'll see this is the northern horizon. Just that straight north, you see that strip of chemtrail and everywhere. That's the east. Morning. You got the west and the south. More chemtrails all over the place. And it wouldn't stop because by the I want to make sure you saw that was the correct map. That was the first map. Oh, that's good. There you go. You see that's September 22nd. I'll make sure you see that. Now, starting by 12 o'clock, you see it coming in to California. You see the high pressure here. All these systems are all around the coast, and they're not letting any of it reach LA, but when they do, they spray, and even by afternoon, you know, you're just getting that up in the north. This is the east, the west, and the south. It just does not end, people. So from 59% humidity, you know, we ended up with 24%. This is from the Rothschild Weather Channel. Remember, and by the way, they were predicting Friday and Saturday upcoming for rain. That was just the morning. Well, by the evening, you're saying, I apologize about this. Yeah, you know, come on, 46% by the evening, but it was 90. This is crazy. So here it proves, shadowed out, we had chemtrails all day. You focus in right there. There's Los Angeles. They've kind of whitewashed that. I don't know how they did that. Apologize. Dropped something here. You see September 22nd. Oh, but this didn't allow it to rain. Don't see rain here. I don't see any rain. Most of the rain up in Nevada. Let's head up to Utah, Wyoming. There you go. You see a low pressure in the middle. There's a occluded front. How does that happen? Warm front overtaking a cold front, just like that. And then you got the gales, the storms. So right down here, that's that system right there, keeping any chance of storms from developing right now, from reaching SoCal. And the chemtrails are keeping it nice and dry. But let's just do the check here, as you can see. Yeah, nothing coming in except water vapor. So by the as the evening came in, you can see how they put a little high pressure here. You can see that right there. And that's it. That's why at the end of the evening, you got just leftovers. See what I mean? A little bit here. And then the east, that was the north previously, it's the east. And then the west, you know, kind of clear. So that's how it ended. No rain in the middle of all this in SoCal. So we'll see what happens next Friday when they claim, Jesus Christ, they're going to claim it's going to rain Friday, but I don't know if they want it to, because as you can see here, for Los Angeles. September average is 20.24, quarter inch. So you're going to figure they're putting their money on, is it over or under? And we'll know Friday. Last time on that previous one from April, I said they predict rain, no rain. So there hasn't been rain for 6 months, if you include April and the end of September. And I'll keep you posted if there's anything else new on that. In the meantime, keep it dry.